Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International A and AS level for the session October-November 2025. The code is 9709/1 for the subject Pure Mathematics 1 and this is the variant 3. Let's move to the question number 1. Okay, before solving question number 1, I want to share something. This is my channel and I'm making a playlist. For example, this is a quadratic equation playlist which have 5 questions. This is function playlist. This is coordinate geometry playlist. This one is the circular measurement playlist. These are the topic wise playlist, and if you want to study topic wise question paper, then you can join my channel. Thank you very much. Let's move to the question number 1. Expand 2 minus 1 over x whole power 6 in ascending power of x up to and including the term in x cube. Okay, we know that the a plus b whole power n, and this one is equals to the a power n plus n combination 1, a to the power of n minus 1 and b to the power of 1 plus n combination 2, a to the power of n minus 2 and b to the power of 2. Fourth term is n combination 3, a to the power of n minus 3 and b to the power of 3. And it is goes on until it reach b to the power of n. So we need to solve this expansion up to x cube. Okay, so this one is 2 minus 1 over 2x to the power of 6. And in this case, a is equals to the 2 and b is equals to negative half x. And n in this case is 6. So 2 to the power of 6 plus 6 combination 1 and 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 and b, which is negative half x to the power of 1. Similarly, 6 combination 2, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 and b, which is negative half x to the power of 2. Similarly, we need to calculate up to x cube. So 6 combination 3, 2 to the power of 6 minus 3 and half, negative half to the power of 3. When we solve this whole cube, we will get x cube, so we don't need to move further. Okay, further solving, we will have 2 to the power of 6 is 64 plus 6 combination 1 is 6 times 2 to the power of 5 times negative x over 2 plus 6 combination 2 is 6 times 5 over 2 times 1 times 2 to the power of 4 times x square over 4. And fourth term is 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 to the power of 3 times x cube over 2 to the power of 3 negative. So this one will be equals to the 464 plus 6 times 2 to the power of 4 is 96 times negative x, and this one is equals to 3 and this one is equals to 2. So we will have 15 times 4, which is 60 x square plus, and this one will be cancelled out and this cube will be cancelled out and we will have 20 times negative x cube. Further solving, we will have 64 minus 96x plus 60x square minus 20x cube. These are the first 4 terms or the terms up to x cube. So we can say that terms are 64 minus 96x plus 60x square minus 20x cube. Okay, part B, hence find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 3 minus x plus 2x cube times 2 minus half x to the whole power of 6. So we have the first expansion, which is 3 minus x plus 2x cube, and this will be multiplied with the expansion we just solved in part A. So we will use this expansion. Okay, so this one is 64 minus 96x plus 60x square minus 20x cube. Okay, We need to find the coefficient of x cube only, not the terms which have x constant or x square. So we just need to multiply those terms which will give us x cube. For example, when 3 multiply with 64, it will be constant. When 3 multiply by 96x, it will be x term. When 3 multiply by 60 x square, it will give us x square term. So when 3 multiply by negative 20 x cube, so it will give us x cube term. For example, this one. So we need to find the multiplications which will give us x cube term. So for example, when negative x multiply with x square term, it will give us x cube term. Similarly, when 2x cube multiply with this 64, we will get x cube term. So let's multiply 3 times negative 20 x cube. So 3 times negative 20 x cube plus negative x times 60x square, negative x times 60x square plus 2x cube times 64, 2x cube times 64. Okay, so solving we will have negative 60x cube minus 60x cube, and this one is 2 times 64 is 128x cube. So you can see that negative 120 x cube plus 128 x cube is equals to the 8x cube. So the coefficient of x cube 8. Okay, this one the required result.